Broke ass TV. What broke bitches watch?
Alright, so Lil Kim, you've been captain on your show, Hollywood Unscripted. How does it feel being back on reality TV?
Yeah. It's been a while since I've been on a reality show. Unfortunately, I'm on there with Nicki Minaj, and you know I don't like her. That girl is psycho. So, besides that, they told me I'd be on the show with Carrie and Trina, and I thought that would be a good way to get more buzz. You know, my career hasn't really been taking off like I expected. So do you think it'll take off? I mean, it should, with the beef between you and Nicki. Yeah, it's an opportunity for the truth to come out, and so people will see that she is just so upset.
Well, you know, I had her on my show and everyone loved her, and
and I clearly don't give a shit.
Hey, there she go. That's the one I got to know.
Gotta know.
Such a cutie right now. Who is now they don't do that. Hair flow, what she want. Like love Jones when she talk. Such a cutie
It's your boy Diggy.
Who is high, but they don't do it like.
It seems like for a while I've known ya. Nostalgic moments, feels like magic, don't it? Girl, you killing them. My condolence, that's how you own it. Yeah, that's how you own it. And I'm gonna be with you no matter what it takes. Running with scissors in the traffic, trying to cut straight to the chase. Wanna be there when you wake.
I can't take it. No, like seriously? Wait, why are you on this show? Oh. Anyway, that fuckface whore had the nerve to get on national TV and embarrass me. Like, bitches, stop. Nicki had a lot of personal issues with Kim, so I decided to call Carrie to solve the issue. Nicki had a lot of problems with Kim, so I decided I would take her on a little trip today, just to get away, just me and her, and we would have some fun. I don't know what Kim's problem is. I'm glad I decided to come with you. She's just so bitch, like, just stop. Why are you living like, just Yeah, I feel you on that one. You wanna know what the funny thing is? Her so-called fans are laughing at her. I hope now she found something to focus on other than Nicki Minaj. We need to focus on getting in that studio. After my college time with Nicki, I went to the studio to work on a remix for the famous Sierra. Miss Carrie, baby.
What just crushed?
I love that. That shit sounded like a grown-ass man taking a shit. So I took over shit. I turned the volume down on that bitch, and I told her ass, you gonna redo this shit the right way. Look, y'all need to get this shit together. It sounds fucking horrible. This shit got my name on it. Y'all the production team, y'all supposed to make sure this bitch hitting the right notes. Carrie, pick your voice up. What happened to all the fucking high notes you was hitting on the last shit you did? I'm trusting y'all. Start over. We have to do it straight, but that bitch is so scary. She needs to get her out the floor, that action solitary. That's how you do that shit right there. Me and the Kim decided we wanted to go to the club. To put some dicks to suck, make a quick buck, get our pussies wet, make clothes sweat. You know, we good, we ain't on that. We ain't no flop ass of the guys, you know, we roll up and shit, tear shit up, bitches run from us. When Trina texted me, she was like, we gonna get our pussies wet. I was like, bitch, I'm not gay. She texts back and said, we gonna get some big things to put in there. And I was like, oh yeah, bitch, I'm all for that. It's been a while since I had that. And it's like, my pussy is so dry, it got cracks and eczema all over it. And it's still good pussy though, it's still good pussy. And she got gonorrhea in her pussy. She got gonorrhea in that shit. So, we got to the club, a couple of my fans were there, so they asked us to perform. successful. Just how close we get to be. I'm so safe, I can't get paid. Throw you up to the girl like a company. You can slide. Next time on Hollywood Unscripted. I can't believe she said that about me. Nicki Minaj is such a fucking whore. Yes. This is always fine. What can I say?
Now look, ladies. Every girl knows that it comes a time in a woman's life where her wig has to be snatched. And it's B's turn. See, I'm a 5-star bitch, cause I ain't that other bitch. She's struggling for her from the boom, I've been rich. I ain't gotta talk about the money in the shoe game. All you gotta do is